see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Happy Friday! So, yung request nilang dinner tonight is yung nahuli ni Jan na isda. Ito ay yung gummy shark. Kasi last time yung niluto ko was schoolie. And mag-order kami ng chips. Si Jan mag-order ng chips kasi mas bagay itong fish sa chips. So, mag-fish and chips kami tonight. So, pinapainit ko lang yung oil. So far ito na yung naluto nating fish. And meron tayo ditong salad. And yung chip, you're ready na ni Johnny Boy. Is that potato cake?
Yeah, so take out some fish bone.
So, tapos na ako magluto. Si Jan tapos na kumain. Nauna na siya. But, eto yung sa kids. And gumawa ako ng tata sauce. Homemade. Okay, pakainin ko na sila. Well, yung mga bata na lang naman ang kakain. Alright, kids. I just put it there, okay? You want salad, Zach?
Yes, I want some noodles.
Okay.
It's not. It's better than before.
Yeah. So, yan yung dinner. Yung chips, ayun. Holy, ayan yung salad.
Good morning. Happy Saturday.
Good morning, guys.
Morning. And it's our game day, so it's just me, my mum, and Kuya Zach, because my dad is watching Kuya TJ play because he hasn't been watching him for a while now. So that's why it's just us. And we're versing Mount Burr. Yeah, good. We're versing Mount Burr this. It's 9:18, and I think we're gonna lose because
Why?
they're big.
Ah, they're tall.
Yeah. I think only Ellie would do
Yeah, but
most
you
stuff.
never know.
Ma, we have not bet them.
Just try your best.
I will try my best. I always try my best. I'm gonna try really, 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 really hard on Mount Burr because they're really.
How about you, Zach?
tall.
No, you flag them, right? Yeah. They're the one that didn't score after we reached 60, right?
Good memories, huh?
60, yeah. Hindi na sila nag-score nung naka-60 na sila sa kasi. At least one, because it doesn't count the percentage, right? Oo, pag halimbawa naka-zero yung kalaban nila, yung percentage nila hindi aangat. Dapat makascore man at least one. Ang weird. I hope it's not gonna rain. Sabi, you said it's not gonna rain. I didn't wear my puffer jacket.
Hi guys, we lost by lots. It was 6 or 5 to 30. They were really good though, but I got best player for Baker's Delight, and I thought I was gonna get best player because I thought I played good, and
Well, you're best player, right? Second
yeah,
best player.
second best player. They handed out 3. Normally it's 2, but they handed out 3. And
Kuya Sak won.
yeah, Kuya Zach won.
Hindi nakascore yung ano nila kuya, yung kalaban.
Even though I lost, I enjoyed playing.
Yeah, you done very well. All of you.
And-
we're going home now.
Yeah.
And
I was
Keep
hanging out
warm?
with Maya.
keep warm. So cold today. Oh.
And I was just hanging out with Maya and her cousin Lenny in the car.
Is Lenny going with them?
Yeah.
Her cousin is really tall.
She's like 10.
Yeah, you're 10. You're
I'm
almost 10.
Well, 10 or 11.
Ah, okay.
And
Who's this? Is this bro?
it's Jack.
Oh.
And I'm just gonna sit on the couch.
Happy Sunday. Tonight's dinner is roast lamb. and roast veggies. So, yan yung dinner namin tonight. So, yun lang. See ya!
No. No.
I'll let you off.
If I have leftovers, if I have leftovers in the canister. But there's plenty there.
Yan na yung dinner.
That eat now.
Yes, of course.
I'm just gonna have that bit. Oh.
Come on! Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. So, yung agenda natin, yung requirements is middle part, middle pony, curl. Yun yung sa buhok. Then, yung makeup, the same pa rin.
She's
Kung ano yung ginagamit ko sa kanya or gusto ng teacher nila.
Mom, my hair's not middled.
Yeah, but I'm just brushing it here, Baba.
Oh. I'm excited.
You're excited.
Yeah.
Dalawa yung comp niya today.
What time is my first one?
First one is 3.
What time do I have to be there?
No, you have a practice at 1:30, so 1:30 to 2 o'clock practice nila. Sa studio ko muna siya ida-drop off. Then, after 30 minutes na practice, pipick upin. Then, diretso na sa theater. Then, 4:30. So, parang may rest lang silang dalawang dalawa. Yeah, may dalawang comp na mag-perform habang sila ay mag-change ng damit. Maingay yung aming kapitbahay kasi nagka-cut ng grass.
There you go.
Oh, ayan.
See, I'm good at doing middle parts now, guys.
Yeah, you've been doing your hair for school. So, ayaw niya na kasi magpa-pony sa akin pag papasok siya sa school. Gusto niya siya na.
I wake up normally at 7:20.
No, 7.
No, yeah.
7.
But when Kuya Taylor is not going to school, me and Kuya Zach wake up at 7:20.
Oh, yeah. Kasi si Kuya nga,
I
siyempre
always-
maliligo.
I'm always the first one to be ready.
Yeah. Okay.
And if you guys are wondering why don't we do makeup first, hair is.
What?
If they're wondering why we don't do makeup first, it's because it takes longer to do my hair because I have not that much hair. That's why we always do this one, and we're still doing finishing touches.
So, alright. Yeah, yung buhok niya, manipis, diba? So, dapat wala akong makitang scalp. So, alright, Baba?
Add some of this.
No, this one, I don't want.
The
Just-
stick. Use the
No, we're just
wax.
gonna put the hairpins here. That is here.
Oh, where you going? To school, are you? Hello?
Dad,
What?
you're coming on Wednesday.
I can't, busy. I've just got to check the door.
No, Dad, can you come?
No.
Please.
I've already done that, Baba.
Not with the
That
fabulous.
hurts me,
What hurts you?
just watching.
Why?
Why? No.
It's boring.
Dad, it's fabulous. I'm just doing one tomorrow, Wednesday.
Yeah.
You're coming,
Wooga.
Mum. Book a ticket.
Yeah. Wooga dooga.
Did you see that, Mum? Mamma mia. Here we go again.
Right.
Oh, it's cold.
Okay, close your eyes.
Oh. It went in my ear.
First, the pink ribbon. It's It's in your bag, right?
Yeah. Give me go get it.
No, later na, after I curl your hair.
Makeup time.
Nilagyan ko siya ng primer, yung sa Obsidy. Nice weather.
I'm curling my eyelashes because I like when I do it better, because when my mom does it, I pull away and I don't know why. So just... You see the difference, guys, already? That one's...
Okay, do the other one now.
Oh, good. Probably doesn't want me to do my mascara, but... It's our breakfast time. We're using both.
Yeah, painit. So, tapos na kami sa makeup. And now, curling na. And sabi ko kanina, i-hit ko yung curler. Nakalimutan ko. Ha? Dyson pala yung gagamitin ko. Meron kasi ako yung isa dyan, yung DHD ba yun? Basta yung isa ko dyan. Yun, kailangan kong i-hit. Eto hindi. Kasi ganyan siya. Ito yung gamit kong spray sa kanya. Wow. Thank you. Nagpabili kami ng chips kasi...
There's half chips left.
Huh? It's alright. Mamaya, wala na siyang time kumain. Ang oras is 11:49. So, may chips na lang siya. Mamaya na lang siya bumawi. Tapos ko nang i-curl yung buhok ni Holly and my God, ilang beses ko siya kine-curl kasi bumabagsak yung buhok niya. So ngayon, pinuno ko ng spray net. Diba? Ang tigas na. Ayan na yung kanyang buhok sa likod. And then, look at me. And ayan, ang finished product natin. Okay, we're going now.
It's only 12:35.
Yeah, we have to go. Come on. Yung mga ginamit ko sa buhok ni Holly, ito yung una, yung homemade from bench. Tapos ito. Tapos nung kinulot ko na yung buhok ni Holly, etong si Wow, si Orbay, and si Tresemme. Ito yung si Orbay, ano siya, texturizing. Ito naman pang hold, extra hold. So yan yung mga ginamit ko. So hopefully talaga hindi malaglag yung pagka-curl ng buhok ni Holly. Alright. Ligpit ko to and alis na kami.
Guys, we're in the car heading off to the studio to practice, and this is my final look. Am I very poppin'?
You only have 30 minutes to practice and then we're heading to the
theater, yeah. And I'm really excited. My dad's coming on Wednesday because that's where I perform Fabulous, because he wants to watch me dance Fabulous because he likes my costume a lot. He likes these ones too, but he already watched these. And I am, like I said before, very excited. I can't wait to go on stage. I am going to have a big smile. And yeah. And then after my we're going to go grocery to buy some fruits. So yes, see you when we get, not to the studio, but to the theatre. See you there.
We're not allowed to go back yet.
Oh, we're not allowed. See you after I finish. finish. Bye. So guys, I just finished my first dance, and now we're having lunch in Sushi Hero, and we're gonna place our order there. And as you can see, we can just grab whatever we want, and then we pay. But I think that's what starting.
Yeah, okay. So, kain mo na kami. Then, 6 o'clock babalik. Diba? Ang haba ng oras. Oh, it's too long, Baba. Ang tagal naman. Parang gusto ko nang damputin yung... Careful. What you got?
I might get,
What?
but later after I finish this.
Kumapay siya ng drink. Si Ramoni.
Ramen.
Yung akin ay Fuse tea. Tapos na kami, guys. Ayan.
I'm so full.
You're so full? Alright. Let's pay. Mag-grocery pa tayo.
Look at how much I drank, guys.
Dito na pala kami sa Coast. And si Jan tumawag. Kailangan niya raw ng drink sa farm. So, kumuha tayo ng raspberry, Coke. So, sobrang ayan na yung mga nakuha namin. Si Kuya bili niya mga, mga cereals. Tapos rice bubbles and yogurt. Get to, Baba. Pinapakuha ko siya ng long life milk. Nagmamadali ako kasi, 4:20. 6 o'clock kailangan niyang bumalik. Tapos si Jan pupunta dito para pick upin to. Kasi nga, kailangan din pala ni Jan ng salad. Kasi magba-barbecue sila sa sa shed, sa farm. Kasi nga hindi ako makakapagluto kasi late na ako makakauwi. So magba-barbecue sila. So nagbili siya ng salad. Ayan yung mga salads.
But I can do the Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson, okay. What else? Chips. And kumuha ko nitong gamis, yung Nature's Way for immune system. So, dalawa lang kinuha ko na vitamins nila. And si Holly nag-hoard ng deodorant ni Daddy. Okay, come on. Okay, inubos niya. Oh, hurry up. That's all? All of them? Oh my God. Oh, hurry up.
I'm getting a lollipop.
Alright. So kami ng chocolates. Alright, I think we're good. Pipila pa tayo sa cashier. Alright, okay. Okay, bayad na kami. Tapos na kami mag-shopping. Hinihintay lang namin si Jan na dumating para maload to sa car niya. Ang plano dapat, imimit ko siya halfway. Kasi sabi ko parang kakapusin kami sa oras ni Holly. So, hintayin lang namin siya. Hiningal ako dun, Baba, ha? Ha? Si Jan, tinawagan ko. Nasa farm pa siya kasi pinick up niya raw si Sak kasi naligo si Sak sa dagat, lamig na lamig. Ang lamig ng panahon, tas yung tubig sa dagat malamig din. So, pinick up niya muna.
I'm gonna get change.
Okay, change now, Baba, while we're waiting for Daddy. Si Kuya, may mga bilin si Kuya. Daming bilin ni Kuya na green apples, mga fruits. Yung cherry, gusto niya sana kaso ang pangit ng cherry. Ano na siya, yung tawag nun, yung bugbog sarado na, hindi na siya ganun kaganda. So, hindi ko kinuha. So, syempre, ito yung mga bili ni Jan, mga drinks. And salad, yun nga, yung salad. Nasaan ba nilagay ni ate yung salad? So, yung salad ay nandito. And, bilinan ko si Jan na utusan yung mga boys na ilagay ito sa ref kasi gabi na kayo makakauwi ni Holly. 6 o'clock yung drop off kay Holly sa dance. Diyan lang naman. Pero, hanggang gabi yun. Baka 7:30 or 8 na kami makauwi niya ni Holly. Ako na saan na yan. Ayan, nakapalit na siya. Dito na si Jan. Ayan na siya.
I got this.
Seats.
Ayan na guys, yung mga nag-grocery natin nalagay na dito sa car niya. Hindi siya nag-park doon. Tumawid pa kami. Tapos yung cart iniwan namin doon. Hi.
Where are we going now?
Where? 5:35 na guys. And papunta na ulit kami sa theater. Para sa last dance niya.
Oh, who can I get first? We're gonna get first. I'm gonna get first.
Huh.
We're finished.
Yeah, we're done guys. Mag-alas 8 na. We're going home. Hindi siguro, Holly, do you wanna go to the farm? No?
Yeah.
Oh,
No.
no, yeah. Daddy just gonna bring the leftover barbecue they have there.
I'm gonna have your phone for them because I did a fantastic job.
Oh, they did. They came first.
First in both.
Yeah, first kaninang hapon, then tonight first ulit.
One was my Mary Poppins because we didn't verse anyone, and second we just versed.
So yeah, they came first. Ah, yeah, Allah.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.